Hello everyone, welcome to smart-money.trade. We're going to continue with our daily Nifty analysis. Let's just quickly apply our dynamic supply demand indicator and see what our smart money lines tells us for today. Alright, let's turn on the trend. We know it's bearish. Yesterday RBI gave a good surprise. Good for bears, not for bull. But yeah, so the trend is completely negative. We'll see our dynamic supply demand tells us. Alright. So yesterday we opened around here and we said that we're not going to chase it. So we didn't chase the gap up. Slowly, eventually, this was our optimistic or demand area of like 17,000 where we wanted to see how Nifty would behave. So Nifty did start taking this support of the supply demand zone here, this one, and we saw that okay, then we got a good opportunity to go long, but then eventually Nifty was not able to hold the level and eventually it gave up over here. So once it gave up, this was our stop loss. So once it hit here, we kind of exited the trade, and after that we can see it was never able to cross over this demand zone. So basically this demand zone got converted into a supply zone. So yeah, then eventually Nifty was given a shock and it came down all the way up to our smart money confluence lines. You can clearly see these lines were already projected by our indicator beforehand. So we actually kind of had some idea that okay, once Nifty broke this support of like strong support of 16,885, which everybody knew that okay, Nifty was kind of bouncing from there, but yeah, this level that okay, Nifty can stop here, we had already projected in our by our indicator. So yeah, we kind of had a clue that okay, if Nifty is going to go drastically down, then this is a level where it can see some support, and the support did actually come into picture. So that's for yesterday what happened. Today again SGX, because the Fed kind of went on to the expectations of 50 bps cut or raise, so we kind of gonna get a gap up. So but yeah, we are gonna get around like SGX is suggesting around 16,871 or 16,880 or something around this level, but we can clearly see those levels are kind of now confluence lines for smart money lines, and even it's like a it was like a demand zone, but now since the price has gone below it, so this has become kind of a resistance now. So basically it's like a supply zone now. So I feel based on the chart and based on our indicator, it might be a sell on rise. So probably if we get a gap up and if we are not able to cross above this 16,900 level on a sustained basis on a 15-minute time frame, that would be a good place to go short, and the stop loss should be 16,950. Yeah, any close above 16,950 we should be taking exit on our short if we entered around this level. Else we can kind of go open up here and kind of retest these levels. So yeah, that's our analysis for today for Nifty. Hope you guys like it and hope you have a profitable trading day today. Thank you.